Hi, I'm William Derry. I'm with the Carroll Collection. The car behind us is a 1964 Shelby Daytona Cobra Coupe. The car is unique. In the mid-60s, the Cobras were racing in the United States and were incredibly successful. Carroll, Shelby and Peter Brock decided they wanted to go to Europe. They wanted to race against the Ferraris. They needed a car that would be able to do in excess of 185. Peter came up with the idea that a way to change the body in such a way to increase its aerodynamic efficiency, reduce its drag, and basically put a sketch together and presented it to the folks at Shelby. Everyone hated it. They thought it was ugly. They didn't think it would work. Peter promised them it would work. The first time on the track, the Daytona Cobra Coupe beat the best records of any of the Cobras by 3.5 seconds. Everyone was stunned for what in 1964 people thought was an ugly, a terrible design. Even today is remarkable in its beauty, not only in terms of being a race car, but being a remarkable piece of automotive art, and penned by, one of what I believe is the greatest car designers of all time, Peter Brock. Detroit's the Motor City, right? All the different things from the American Speed Festival to all the other kinds of things, even down to cars and coffee. It's remarkable. The American Speed Festival is something that's unique. It's different, it's exciting. It really helps to bring the story of speed to Detroit, to Michigan, to the United States, and to the world.